Changing your Subaru Outback key fob battery used to be an easy DIY task, but things have changed. For Outbacks from 2010 to 2022, it's still generally simple. You'll likely need a CR2032 battery and a small screwdriver. However, starting around 2023, Subaru began using sealed key fobs on many models, including the Outback. Opening these yourself can void the warranty and risk damage to the fob's electronics. Check your fob design. If it looks sealed with no obvious way to open it, it's best to have the dealer handle the battery replacement to avoid potential issues. If it has a seam, you can likely do it yourself. Okay, so you've confirmed your Outback key fob is the DIY-friendly type. Here's how to change the battery. First, you'll need a CR2032 battery. Find the small seam on the side of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, like a guitar pick, to gently separate the two halves. Be careful not to force it. Once open, locate the battery and note which side is facing up, plus side. Remove the old battery and insert the new one with the plus side in the same direction. Snap the fob back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the buttons to make sure everything works. That's it. Dispose of the old battery responsibly.